Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect a speaker from your Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to become particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've upgraded your speakers and no longer need your old speakers, or maybe you want to play your TV from certain speakers on some days and then others. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to do this is that if you go into your Samsung Smart TV and then go into the settings tab right over here, on this tab here, you want to scroll down to where it says sound and then click on sound output. So under sound output, this is where you're going to see a variety of different audio devices that you've connected to your Samsung Smart TV. Now, if you want to go ahead and disconnect one of these speakers, we're going to go into Bluetooth speaker list or find the speaker that you want to disconnect. So the one that I want to disconnect is this Bose Flex Sound Link. Click on it and then click on disconnect. And then it's going to ask you to confirm, do you want to disconnect Bose Flex Sound Link? And then click on disconnect. So notice how I've got a confirmation that now says Bose Flex Sound Link has now been disconnected. Click on OK, and there you have it. It has now been disconnected from your TV and we no longer see it as one of the sound outputs. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and disconnect a speaker from your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.